What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Mr. Investor YouTube channel. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's been a while since I did a Chainlink video, so we're going to cover some stinky link, some Chainlink. So let's just jump right into it. Looking at CoinGecko here, Bitcoin has crossed 34,000, sitting at 34.4, Ethereum at 2,148, and Chainlink is sitting at $16.44. We were able to buy at like 13, 14, $15 for a while, and now the markets are starting to head back up. Not sure if it's if we're recovering or if it's just a little fake out bull trap, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But we're gonna look at DeFi Pulse here, and you can see that $61.39 billion are locked up into DeFi right now. We hit a low of 50 billion in May 23rd, and now we're starting to creep up. But we are down about 30 billion from the all-time high, which was in the first 2 weeks of May here. And looking at the crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at a 27 now, but yesterday we were at 22, and last week we were sitting at a 19. So we're still hesitant, unsure of where we're going to go, but at least we're not sitting in extreme fear. But let's just dive into some news here. So, Grayscale Investments and Coindesk have launched a decentralized finance or DeFi fund and index. Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager, and Coindesk Indexes, a subsidiary of Coindesk, the most influential trusted platform for a growing global community engaged in the transformation of the financial system and the emerging crypto economy, today have announced the launch of Grayscale Decentralized Finance Fund, a new diversified investment product in the Coindesk DeFi Index. So this is pretty cool to see. They have a Bitcoin fund, an Ethereum fund, a Chainlink fund. So now they have a DeFi fund, and I think this just goes to show that DeFi has cemented itself that it's going to be around for a long time and for the years to come. But you can see here, this is the breakdown of what's involved here. These are some major DeFi protocols here, but it is Uniswap heavy, and when I mean heavy, it's at 50% of the fund, which I think is a bit much in my opinion, but nonetheless, it's cool to see that people are able to buy this DeFi fund if they want to in their investment accounts. Um, so this just goes into a little bit more detail on their homepage here. They have 4.7 million worth of assets under management. And this just came out look at that 2 weeks ago, or not even 11 days ago. And here's a little fact sheet again, showing again the what it's made up of. But it's cool because Chainlink is the Oracle provider for many of these. So you have Aave, that's the provider for Chainlink. Compound uses Chainlink. SushiSwap uses Chainlink. Synthetics uses Chainlink. Yearn Finance uses Chainlink. And Bancor Network Token also uses Chainlink. Um, and you can see this is on their website here. They're also touted as the most trusted Oracle network in DeFi. I mean, and it's true. You go here, they have 292 integrations with the Chainlink ecosystem. So Chainlink is definitely a huge player and a huge role within this DeFi ecosystem for sure. And the fact that most of the protocols or the most of the cryptos here that are involved in this fund have Chainlink. I mean, it just goes to show that not only is DeFi going to be around, but so is Chainlink. They go hand in hand together. And total now we're at 650 integrations. And if you wanted to take a look at all the people that are using Chainlink or all the protocols and cryptos that are using Chainlink, you're able to see it on this website here. But this is another article. This came out the 21st. Chainlink integration looks to catalyze DeFi development on Avalanche. Goes on to say that Avalanche, a faster, cheaper alternative to Ethereum, has incorporated data feeds from Chainlink, the market leading blockchain oracle. Smart contracts with external data piped in, such as price feeds, are powering a growing decentralized finance economy of lending apps, decentralized exchanges, and price sensitive derivative markets. But the more important thing here is that this is a quote. It says that there are over 225 projects building on the Avalanche ecosystem, many of them in integration mode, waiting for some functionality such as Oracle's with Chainlink. So that's just more projects going to be integrated in the Chainlink ecosystem there. And I've been saying it for a while. There's this thing called a network effect, where as more and more projects and uh, and crypto companies and apps get involved into the Chainlink, it just expands the Chainlink network, and it's going to result in price value going up for sure. And people say $1,000 Chainlink, and At this point, we're sitting at $16. All-time high was around 50, 51, 52, and I don't know if the thousand's out of the picture, to be honest. And that might be lowballing it, depending on how far things go with the smart contracts and everything else they've planned for the future. So this is another little article here. Chainlink onboards an average of 1.4 new partners each day in 2021. And then it says that 281 different crypto projects have announced integrations during 2021 so far. And we're only 201 days into the year, almost the end of July. So it's pretty crazy considering the fact that only roughly 250 partners integrated with Chainlink during all of 2020. So like I said, that network growth is really starting to tick up a notch. And just for the month of July alone, we have 50 integrations for the month alone. So now we're at 667. So my apologies, we're at 667. This is the first. The current record was 55, and that was in May. So, the current record is 55. So we're on pace to beat the monthly record. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing here on the Chainlink website here, you can see that World Economic Forum and Chainlink, they have a white paper together. You can click this link here and it'll bring you to it. They've also presented with Fidelity, so Fidelity is huge. Chainlink being involved with that, I can only imagine what's going to happen in the future. And then don't even get me started on Swift. If Swift and Chainlink are working together, where Chainlink is going to be the middleman oracle facilitating transactions and everything between the on-chain and off-chain data, it's just a game over at that point. 1,000 is probably not out of the question at that point. We have SmartCon coming up, August 5th through 7th. It is a huge event, and I'm looking forward to it. You can see all of the announcers and speakers here, and we are patiently waiting for Chainlink to be able to be staked. And I'm hoping they make an announcement where we can start staking our Chainlink. I'm hoping, but we'll just have to wait and see. And then just to finish this video here, the Ethereum forking countdown. 10 days, 16 hours until I think it's called the London upgrade, or EIP 1559, goes live. So very excited to see. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at the Mr. Investor. And until next time, we'll see you then.